Welcome to Roro and Kept. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we have another episode of Beauty with Roro, and hey, you know what? I'm just hoping for the best. I hope this one goes well, because the first one, the first one didn't go well. But you know what? We move. You know, it doesn't matter how many times you fall. It's about it's about how you rise. I don't even know. Anyway, so today's video, we're doing lashes. Yes, see, we're doing lashes, and yeah, just like the first video, I'm gonna be following a tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. So for today, I got lashes. This set of 3 from Mr. Price. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it was 70 rand. Which, I don't know. I think maybe it's expensive, maybe it's not expensive. I honestly do not know. So let me just open it to show you guys. Even. This is how they drama. Do you know what drama is? Drama. So they come with the glue, which is good because I didn't buy glue. I forgot to buy glue, so I think they come with like a smaller nyana glue. So for this video, apparently I need lashes, glue, a pair of scissors, but like it's those small ones which I don't have. So yeah, let's start the video. Today I'm going to be watching hersecretwords. Anyway, hersecretwords on YouTube. She's also a South African YouTuber. I'll probably be doing tutorials like from South African YouTubers. I don't know, peak like that. But yeah, let's get into it and see how it goes. Anyway, as usual, I have my mirror here. That's also one of the things you need. And she also says you need tweezer. And I'm like, whoa. I don't have that. So, hey, let us hear what she says.
I'm using this brush because the glue does not have an applicator, and then you're going to need a mirror that you can hold. You also need some tweezers, and yeah, that's about it.
Mine has an applicator.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is take your eyelash and place it on your eyelid while on your lash line to see if it fits or if you'll need to cut it.
Okay. So this is my first time. You see, she's using normal scissors there. That's what I like.
Okay, so you want to cut a small piece and then check again if the lashes fit, and then if they don't fit, obviously you'll trim again.
I honestly think they fit.
Okay, now I'm taking my eyeliner brush and I'm going to use this brush to apply my glue. So you want to apply your glue directly on your lash line. If your glue already has an applicator like this, obviously you won't need to use a brush. You can just use that applicator.
Oh, directly. Hey, I don't know. Is it raining? Hey, suffer for beauty. Even. are not for me. Let me skip the directly thing. Yeah, no. My website dry. Yeah, we're not gonna put directly on our thing, on our lash. What? Let's see.
It's best to use clear glue for this, especially if you're someone like me. Actions on the glue that you're using.
Okay, so if you feel you can, how do lashes go? So now you apply the glue on the lash, just like that. I know a lot of people don't like to use, what are these things called? Tweezers. I think it's tweezers, yeah. Like I remember when I watched like Michali's old lash video, she was saying that she prefers to use her fingers, and you know what, she's my girl, so we're there together. That's what you must do for 30 seconds. So yeah, let's 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Also, when I was watching these videos, another tip, I'm not sure who said this, but she was like, you shouldn't blow on your lashes. Apparently, you know, it's not hygienic. So now you know, kids. Now you know. Let me bring this thing closer. It must be very okay. Now. I think it's been 30 seconds. Yeah, she's using Jesus. Wait, let me just... Are we ready, guys? Let's go. Hey, man. How can they? I don't know. What do you think? Ooh, what? Let's fly away, baby. Let's fly away with my wings. Yo, hey. Oh. It's like I did this myself, you know. Tutorial for what? Tutorial for who? Okay, let's move to the other side now. I think like this. I'm so glad I have 3. Hola. Okay, I hope you guys are taking notes. So basically what you do first is you measure the lash to your lash line. I think that's what it's called. And make sure it's the same length, because these lashes can be quite long. So after you've done that, you just cut a piece off, which I've already done. And then you just apply your glue. So this Mr. Price glue comes with an applicator. So it's not those glues you just squeeze out. Yeah, so it comes with an applicator. So I showed you already, but let me just show you again. That's the applicator. So yeah, cool. Yeah, so you just wait for 30 seconds, and 30 seconds, guys, it's not just counting to 30, you know. It's like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Yeah, I feel like this video is gonna be so short and boring because I got it right, you know. Nobody wants to see people make it. You guys want to see me fail and laugh at me. Anyway, that's not happening in this video. Yeah, Mina, I am the eyelash queen. Yeah, and you need a mirror that you can. Guys, I naturally have like really gorgeous lashes. So, but I'm okay, let me keep quiet. Yeah, get it. Okay. Yeah. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Let me keep quiet. No. Okay. Shh. Let's not speak yet. Let's just do it. Ooh, yes. Let me just show you. So let me tell you which videos I watched. I watched this girl's video right here. I don't know her name. Let me actually check in her description box. Okay, I think her name is Aseko. That sounds Zulu. But her thing is called hersecretwords. And then I watched Mitlali's, like the old one, not the new one, because she has a new one. I watched her old video, and then I watched Tandy Gama's video as well. Okay, you know, it's not necessary. It's gonna ruin it. But yeah, Michelle says you should. Guys, the thing is, I can't see how these lashes. How these lashes actually look. So I don't know, but yeah, you're apparently supposed to brush your real lashes into the fake lashes with the mascara. But I'm not gonna do that. We don't need to do that. So we've come to the end, and honestly, I know a few of you out there thought I would fail. And I'm just here to tell you that, you know what? I did not fail. In fact, I give myself, let me see. Okay. I give myself a 9 out of 10. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video next week. Stay tuned. And you know, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.